Hi everyone, welcome back. We solve for the value of x given this exponential equation. We have 8 raised to the power x is equal to 96. So this is the value of x. Solution, we'll have 8 raised to the power x, this is equal to 96. Now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we'll have log 8 raised to the power x, this is equal to log 96. Alright? So for us to solve for the value of x, we need to introduce two logarithm identities that state that if you have log a raised to the power m, this can be expressed as log, that is m log a, and the second property we have, if you have log a multiplied by b, they can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so we proceed so that we'll have x log 8, this is equal to log 96. Okay, so 96 can be expressed as log 12. Now 96 can be expressed as 12 times 8. If you say 12 times 8 can give you 96, so that we'll have x log 8, this is equal to log. Now applying the second property, we'll have log 12 plus log 8. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 8, and here log 8. Okay, so if you simplify, you'll have x is equal to, now this is 1, so it's like we'll have 1 plus log 12 divided by log 8. Okay, now we can transform this log 12 divided by log 8 further, so that we'll have 1 plus log 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3, okay, divided by log. Now this 8 we can express it with a base of 2 as 2 cubed. Okay, alright. So we can transform again so that we'll have log. Now this is 4, we can express it at 2 squared times 3 divided by log 2 cubed. Okay, so that we'll transform again, we'll have 1 plus. Now applying the second property, log a multiplied by b, we'll have log a plus log b. We proceed so that we'll have 2 log 2 plus log 3. This is all of it divided by log 2 cubed. Okay, so again we'll have 1 plus 2 log 2 divided by, now we can transform this using the first property, so that we'll have 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Okay, log 2 is common, so we simplify. Log 2 is common, so you simplify, so that we'll have x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus a third log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, so that we apply the third property that states that if you have log a divided by log b, this can be expressed as log a to base b, right? So that we'll have our x equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. Okay, so that means that x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3, this is equal to 5 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2. Okay, so let's check if this value of x suffices the solution, suffices our solution. So remember we have 8 raised to the power x, this is equal to 96. Okay, so we have 8, we substitute the value of x, that is 5 over 3 plus a third log 3 base 2. Okay, now we can express this further as 8 raised to the power 5 over 3 plus log 3 to base 2 Remember, this is a third, okay? This is a third, and this is supposed to give us 96, okay? So applying the rows of indices, that a raised to power n plus m, this can be transformed as a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, okay? So using this identity, we transform 8 raised to power 5 over 3 multiplying by, now this 8 is the same as saying 8 raised to power a third log 3 to base 2, okay? So now we'll have 8 raised to power 5 over 3. We can write this 8 as 2 raised to power 3 multiplying by a third log 3 to base 2, okay? So that we'll have, remember this is 3 and 3 simplifies, so that we'll have 8 raised to power 5 over 3 multiplying by 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2, okay? This is supposed to give us 96. This is supposed to give us 96, okay? Supposed to give us 96. Now applying the rule that states that if you have, that is the row number 4, if you have a raised to power log, that is log a to base b, this is definitely going to give you a, okay? So now we have 8 raised to power 5 over 3 multiplying by 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2. Remember, this is supposed to give us 96. So now instead of 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2, this one we can substitute 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2. This is definitely going to give us 3, okay? So now we are going to have 8 raised to power 5 over 3 multiplying by 3. This is supposed to give us 96, okay? 8 raised to power 5 over 3, this is equal to 32, okay? That is equal to 32, and if you say that 2 times 3, this is equal to 96, okay? That is equal to 96. Therefore it's true that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, okay? So that means that 96 is equal to 96, and that actually affirms that the value of x is equal to 5 over 3 plus 5 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2, and you have proved that, and that's the answer. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.